Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we will have a quick review of some items for cars. This one is a Nissan Cars Combi Bag. Inside you have warning triangle, first aid kit and warning vests. This is genuine product from Nissan. It's made in Germany. Here is Nissan Safety Kit UK. Why I bought it? First of all, I like quality stuff, and if you like quality stuff you can always get a genuine some manufacturer product like Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, Jaguar, Ford, or whatever you're after. Second, this on this thing, the how you call it, first aid kit expired, and I bought a brand new first aid kit, which you will be able to see here. Just a moment, so I can probably put this thing aside. So basically this is the first aid kit which I bought. It's brand new for cars. And I also bought a brand new fire extinguisher, which is not here, but as you can see again, Fanskalf, Germany is the product. Here is the same, but this one is expired medicine. I bought it cheap, only for the triangle and the warning vest because they're original. So basically, if you have a brand new car or if you have a used car, and if you like quality stuff, not cheap Chinese junk, which in the past I bought cheap Chinese junk, but it was not good at all. The problem with the Chinese, their medikit is not full at all, or they doesn't have anything. Same story with the triangle. I mean, if little bit of wind, it breaks down. It's miserable. Also the fire extinguisher is Chinese. It's no good to extinguish fire in case you need it. So my suggestion is, buy only original, buy high quality stuff. By the way, my fire extinguisher is Italian. It's quite expensive, but it's worth it because if you need it, it will save you. If you buy Chinese, it's cheaper. It may not work at all. So all the Chinese thing is junk, especially these things for cars, like first aid kit, like warning vests, like triangle, like other stuff. So either buy used, either buy brand new one, quality one, manufacturer, or either brand new, either used. I suggest to stick with the original because they are high quality and they do the job. And you can use this in your existing car or your brand new car. It's mandatory for most countries in Europe. Not sure how it's outside the Europe, but you get the point. Also, this is very compact. You can you have Velcro here to attach to the car, which I quite like. I can also exchange the content from here to here, only the content, and that's also good for me. So if you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribe. Until next time, and remember, this can save your life, so don't go on the cheap route with it.